Alright, so I just cut off a mature bottom leaf or branch or arm of this aloe vera mother plant, huge. And I'm using the aloe vera to extract latex to create a natural laxative or stool softener to mix with my kratom. So exactly what we want to use right here is what you see here. So not the gel, but the stringy, stretchy, snotty goo that you can get from in between the gel and the skin. So let's go ahead and get some more here. It takes a while to, as you can see, that all that there is the latex. It could be, it's normally a yellow color here, but it can also be clear. It depends on how mature this arm is. So yeah, I'm gonna make a drink because kratom can cause serious digestion. It can complications, right? It can cause constipation. Some people it causes diarrhea, and that's no fun. So I want to be able to take my kratom without relying on medical grade laxatives and synthetic chemicals or whatever. I'd rather just use what I have. So here we have, you see, it's allowing it to flow a little bit better. You can give it a little bit of a boost. Just running your fingers across the gel helps the latex move along. Now, I'm doing this for the first time because I'm just fed up with being constipated. And I hope this isn't too much latex, but I'm gonna bind this with the kratom to make sure that the kratom doesn't just clump up in my gut. I'm kind of sick today. Well, I am sick. I had to take a break from kratom because I was so constipated, and I got sick as well. So didn't go to work today. It's okay. I'm just gonna get the rest of this latex here behind. You see behind the gel. It's all that latex. There it goes. You know, I think this will be enough. I'm only gonna take a spoonful of kratom today anyways. Don't want to get back into taking the same amount I was taking before I took a break. And this will all go in the compost. Okay. And there goes my aloe vera right on top of the compost. Got my tomatoes growing. All right, so alrighty, we're gonna mix the kratom. I'm using Mangda Green Vein kratom from Viva Zen. I like it. It's good midday, midday or evening, and morning. But it can get a little bit sedating if you take a lot. Definitely definitely has a good mood elevating effects. It's euphoric, helps with pain, stress, all that stuff, cravings. Man, I am a mess. Okay. So we kind of got a good amount of latex, good amount of kratom. Now I'm going to mix. Oh, well, that was weird. Wow, yeah, the latex is like climbing up the propeller. This is very interesting. I just want the kratom to really connect with, or mix with the latex, because I feel like it clumps up in the gut. The powder kind of just somehow your shits come out really hard. And I hope that this acts as a good stool softener. So then I'm gonna mix this with some water and this thing is kind of losing battery. Should have charged it. I want to make sure I get that kratom that's in the corners. It just likes to clump up. See, there's still some dry parts, so it's like that's what happens in your gut, I feel like, and it's just awful. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Got a lot of got a lot of kratom stuck in this little thing. That's your butthole on kratom. I don't like to drink, kratom has helped me quit alcohol, marijuana, nicotine. I don't use any of these other substances anymore. You could consider kratom a substance, but the downside is constipation. Other than that, no, it doesn't affect me whatsoever. It's only positive so far, as long as you don't take too much, you're not become an addict. All right. I think I'm just gonna put water in here. Oof. It's bitter. Yuck. Yuck. Bitter, bitter, bitter. Oh man. Just gotta power through that. Oh. Jesus.
The aloe vera is bitter.
Yep. The latex is super bitter.
Latex?
I guess that's what it's called, but
Is it bitter than latex?
I think it's like some sort of organic, natural latex sort of.
And it's supposed to like loosen you up.
Acts as a laxative.
Mm.
Woo!
So we can give you
Man, should have mixed that.
I don't know, like the thing that I was drinking. I don't know if I told you the Kohota brew.
Oh yeah.
It's literally like
Really?
it's literally yeah. And I wonder what I would do with the fucking.
You should. Yeah,
Is
let's
it?
try that. Do you have more?
We'll have to probably buy some because I only got so many.
Oh.
We're
Yeah.
already done with it when my mom were drinking them.
That makes you shit. Like not hard shit. It's like
It makes you shit, and also like you feel it, bro, in your stomach. Like you'll feel it tightening your like intestine. Like everything feels like.
okay, cause Kratom makes my shit literally rock hard, just like zero water.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
Even if I drink a ton of water,
Yeah.
it's still like it doesn't give a fuck. It just clumps up.
Things literally the opposite.
Okay, so then we'll try that next, cause this is
I mean-
bitter, bro. Oh my god. And maybe I should have mixed this
Yeah.
with tea, not just straight water.
The other thing is just like it's a
Small little piece. Oh god, I could throw up, but I'm not gonna.
It's kinda... I already don't like the taste of cream. I can't even imagine. Can you taste it?
God.
It tastes like fucking... Oh no.
Right?
Oh fuck no. What the fuck?
We gotta get it out.
Holy shit. Oh.
A 1 out of 10 of nastiness is a fucking 10, I think. We're like a 9. Alright, so kind of messed up. I asked ChatGPT how much latex should I take, you know, an effective dose, and it said no more than 500 milligrams in a day. And I just took, gosh, I mean, I would have guessed like 4 grams, you know, 5 grams. So it's like, you know, 5-6 times the amount. So we'll see how that turns out. Wasn't really thinking, you know, today I was combating some pretty intense cravings, so got a little ahead of myself, but man, that was nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Kratom already doesn't have a very good taste, and the latex from the aloe vera is bitter. I felt like throwing up every time I drank it, so you know, next time maybe I'll just try 500 milligrams and see if the taste is at least more bearable, but this might not be the way. But we'll see. We'll see how my stomach reacts. I guess it's all about that at the end of the day. You know, I'm willing to go through whatever I gotta go through to make sure I don't have a messed up stomach. And Kratom does a fantastic job of just getting rid of those cravings. So, yeah.